Hi guys, Vivek here. Today in this video I am going to discuss upon this topic, that is the most expected and likely interview questions in Tata Steel AET. As the AET exam is going to end and most of you want to prepare for your interviews, so today I am bringing you some of the expected questions in Tata Steel, and these are based on the interview experiences of various candidates. So I am sharing all those questions here. So, according to people who have given the Tata Steel interview, one of the most important part of the interview, any kind of interview, it can be AET or any other internship or any other interview. One of the most important part is the current affairs, regional and national knowledge and news. Okay, so you should be really prepared for this kind of question, because Tata Steel has no such fixed amount of question. They can ask you anything like, what do you know about the surroundings, what is going on here, what is going on in your state. It can be related to your your village or or the state where you live. So you should really know about this kind of information. Okay, so it can be any kind of question. You should be really prepared for this kind of questions, as well as some current affair and regional and basic knowledge about what is going all around. It should be known to you. The next important question is, why do you want to join Tata Steel? Now this is a very important question, as you can expect in any kind of interview, in any company interview. This is one of the important questions. So the same thing is here also, that why do you want to join Tata Steel? So you should be really prepared with your answer, that why you want to join Tata Steel, why not other company, why are you not joining the company which is related to your trade or your stream. Like if you are an electrical engineer, what is your need to in the Tata Steel. So this kind of questions will be there, and you should be really prepared for them. Next question is, what are the different kinds of steel and which one do you like the most? As it is a steel company, so you should really know what kind of product they deal with, and what are the different kinds of steel, what are the things that are made from steel. Okay, so as you are going to join them as AET, they expect that you know about steel and you have the basic knowledge of working of the industry. So no matter what stream you are coming from, you should be really prepared for this question. And at the same time, you should also know what type of work they do in Tata Steel. Okay, what kind of product they make, what are their basic company profile, that should be clear to you. Next thing is, what kind of work in Tata Steel is related to your stream. As I have mentioned earlier, that you are coming from electrical engineering or from civil engineering or from mechanical engineering. So you should know that what kind of work is related to your stream, why you should be selected there, why they are going to hire an electrical engineer or any kind of engineer. Okay, so you should know that what kind of work role is there, what kind of thing that you are going to do. Okay, you will get this kind of questions in interview. You may get them. Okay, the next question is, tell me something about yourself apart from your profile. Okay, so you are going to produce a profile in front of the interviewer, like you have passed HS examination, secondary examinations, BTech, all these things that you will be producing in front of them. And maybe they can ask you about yourself, which is not listed in your resume, or which is not listed in your profile that you are producing in front of them. So you should be really prepared, and you should be prepared about this question. Next question can be situation and response based questions. Okay, so they might give you some situation, some kind of odd situation, and they might want to know that what kind of response will be shown by you. They may give you some situation and they will ask you like, what kind of thing will you do if you are in this place. Okay, so you should be really prepared for this kind of questions as well in the Tata Steel interview. Next thing that is obvious is interpersonal questions. As we all know that interpersonal skill is always assessed in any kind of interview. So you should be prepared for this kind of interpersonal questions, like how many people are there in your family, what is your what is your aim, or what do you want, where do you look yourself after these many years of in the company. So how you are going to increase the productivity of the company. So this kind of questions that you should be really prepared, and you should know that these questions may come across in the Tata Steel interview. And the last thing is that basic technical questions related to your streams, because of course you are going through an exam, so already your technical and problem solving ability has been tested. So you should be really prepared for other variety of questions which are, you know, which you need to prepare well. Okay, and in the technical questions you can expect like any kind of basic things that are related to your stream. Like if I talk about electrical engineering, as I am from electrical engineering department, you can expect like what is a star delta starter, what is the difference between slip ring and squirrel cage induction motor, or something related to, transmission lines. So these are some of the basic questions that you can also find on the internet, as well as there are various videos in this channel that you can see related to technical questions in electrical engineering, various interview questions in electrical engineering. Okay, so that all you can expect from the Tata Steel interview. And the last thing that most of the people have suggested is that you need to be calm and relaxed. Okay, it is a very good interview, it's a very good environment in the interview, and the interviewer is really helpful people. Okay, so you need not to be panicked if you are not getting anything, if you are not if you don't know the answer of something. Just politely and with complete honesty, you just acknowledge that I don't know the answer of this, or I may try it in the other way. So that's way more helpful and for you to crack the interview as well. So you should not be panicked and just be calm, be yourself. So that's all from the Tata Steel interview expected questions. There may be some other questions apart from this all, and if I get any other kind of question, I will make a video, or maybe I will be sharing it on the community tab, so you can check them out. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this session was quite helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, please like this video. If you have any feedback, any question, any query, you can put that in the comment section below. And you can subscribe to this channel if you want to prepare for some technical interview questions for various other interviews. So you can subscribe to this channel. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. This is Vivek Chaube signing off. Thank you.